Hi guys, this is THC the Herb Culture, and today we're gonna unbox Cannablithe CBD Oil natural flavor. This is a full spectrum CBD oil which is potent and pure, and you can find it anywhere in India and order it from our website too. So it helps you manage pain, it helps better your sleep cycle, it improves digestion, reduces inflammation also. So what is its composition? It contains 15% cannabis leaf extract and also 85% MCT oil. So what is it used for? So Cannablithe oil is naturally effective for treating chronic pain, insomnia, improving digestion and stimulating appetite. So the box comes with three things. One is this leaflet which contains all the details and if there are any side effects, how you can tackle with them. The second is the tincture and the third is the CBD oil. The tincture is used to remove CBD oil from the bottle. The bottle contains all the CBD oil. The design is very good. Although the CBD oil does not taste that distinctively good, but all the natural things are supposed to be not that great. So this is the Cannablithe CBD oil natural flavor for you. Click on the like button if you like the video and also subscribe to THC the Herb Culture. Thank you.